tape measure that does something that no other tape measure does. It has a digital printout.
Yeah, look at that.
And it does all the math for you.
It's 16 feet long. It has so many features, but as you said, it gives you the digital readout. So instead of you trying to put on your glasses, say, all right, what is that measurement? Well, you can see it there.
And it is absolutely accurate every single time.
There's 2 memory features there. You also get the belt clip, and we have a center feature so that if you want to find the center of the wall, so you can put the picture up right the first time, this is the tool for that.
I don't even have to look. I can just put it right there. That board is absolutely right at 1 foot 10 inches.
That's it. It's right every single time.
There's an old adage in construction that a bubble level will never ever lie to you.
Right.
This is the tape measure that won't ever lie to you.